because whatever you're doing, stick to it. I'm not on any medications, never have been, and hopefully never will.
All right, guys, we are back here with Jeff Blue. It's been about 5 weeks now since we've seen Jeff. He's been on his own, living the BYBB lifestyle. And when we started this season with Jeff, we were checking on his cholesterol. His doctor was telling him he was supposed to be put on some cholesterol medicine, and we wanted to see how the effects of the BYBB lifestyle would have on Jeff with the cholesterol levels. Jeff, you've been to your doctor since the final finishing of the BYBB lifestyle. What kind of results did you get back from him?
Well, it was interesting because in December, he told me he wanted to put me on statins right away, and I was eating eggs, I was eating steak, a lot of that kind of stuff, and we got a little visitor coming in right here. I don't know if you can see him.
Oh, right, yep. Our friend Maverick.
I told him, I go, I want to try the BYBB lifestyle, and let me see, how things pan out. And he's like, I highly don't recommend that. He's like, you should be on statins right now. Yeah. And long story short, by the end of the 8 weeks, my cholesterol decreased 20%.
20%. That's a pretty big number.
It's a huge number. He's like, I can't believe this. And I go, yeah, I just cut out all the things, that I was doing. Like, I didn't decrease steak 100%, but like by 98%.
Yeah.
And I had eggs once or twice.
Yeah.
And 20% decrease because whatever you're doing, stick to it. I'm not on any medications, never have been, and hopefully never will.
20% decrease in the cholesterol just in 8 weeks. I'm not a doctor, but that sounds like a pretty high,
You're
decrease.
not a mathematician either, nor am I, but 20% is pretty high, a decrease.
Those are some good numbers. Look at this guy right here. He looks like he's going to need some to be on the
This guy eats everything. All right.
So how's it been for you, Jeff? It's been 5 or 6 weeks, I think, because I'm working on this other contestant right now, and he's on his 6th week. So yeah, it's been a good 6 weeks.
Yeah, everything's great. My weight has pretty much kept steady, kept down to the lower ends of where it was. In fact, I dipped below it. At one point I was, I think 180, and which was the lightest just randomly. And this morning I was 183. I feel great. I'm using the olive oil, or the castor oil, the coconut oil, all the oils that you had me on for my skin. I feel really good on that end. I am making farro all the time.
Yeah, nice.
I burnt farro a couple times.
Loves that farro grain. It
and
takes a little
kidney
bit of
beans.
Getting used to on the cooking.
And then with the greens, and then I'm doing a lot of the fruits. Not as much as I had been in the past, but I'm eating grapefruits and mangoes and cantaloupe and all that good stuff, bananas, and apples. And and I'm beet juicing all the time. So I'm constantly going out there and getting beets.
That's your favorite, isn't it?
I don't really love the taste of it, but I think it definitely has health benefits.
Yeah.
I've been pretty much doing everything that we kept up with, and I've incorporated it into my lifestyle because I still eat fish. I'll eat chicken now and stuff like that. So I don't completely, I didn't get rid of meat 100%, but I feel great. I mean, I'm not having any issues in any way.
How are your energy levels? Are they still keeping up?
Oh yeah, my energy's always been insane, but my energy levels are good.
Nice. Well, we wanted to get back with you and see the numbers there on the cholesterol. I remember you did send me a text message. Do you remember what exactly that was on the levels? Let me see. I think
it was like 234, went down to 189. So I was 234 or something, like 239, and that went down to 184. It was 20% exactly.
Yeah. That sounds like what it was. Let's see how. 234 to 189.
Oh,
exactly what it was. Good memory there. Good memory. So you guys see it here, right here on the BYBB lifestyle. Jeff followed it for 8 weeks. He lost some weight. He got a little healthier. He got a lot of energy. He learned a lot, which was the most important part, was learning about the BYBB lifestyle,
True.
Seeing that you didn't really need to incorporate all that meat into your lifestyle. And it helped him to lower his cholesterol so he doesn't have to be on medication, because that's a very important thing. A lot of people out there are on medication. They want you on medication. It's kind of like a control. Once they've got you, you're hooked. They want to keep you on that medication. So with the BYBB lifestyle, we get you off the medication. Well, Jeff, thank you for your time.
Absolutely. No, hey, all I can say is anybody's out there is even thinking of trying it, there's no gimmicks in it. It's just good common sense. Jamie's done his research, an incredible guy, and but just
Appreciate
obviously
that.
has done the research and cares about health. And yeah, I mean, as long as you just keep that path, it's not a difficult lifestyle to incorporate, and it just makes sense. So I highly recommend you do it.
I appreciate that. You got a great view here. It's a beautiful, what is today? Tuesday?
It is
morning?
Tuesday, yeah.
Jeff, thanks again. It's
Yeah,
been a
buddy.
pleasure working with you, getting to meet you, become a friend with you, and your wonderful dog here, Maverick. For all you guys out there, be your best body.